Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool mismatch right here, and basically what these are some clear trash bags. And this is from the brand right here. If you can see, the one that we got right here are the 1.2 gallon bags. And you can basically use this in your car, your home, outdoor, office, or wherever you guys want to. So if you just want to use a trash can by itself without like a trash can or something, you definitely can. But for me, I got this because I actually have a trash can that I want to actually get the bag for. So that's why I purchased this one right here. But basically for the one that we got here, it comes with a pack of 220 bags right here. So definitely should be more than enough to last you guys for a really long time. And for this pot, they actually have it in many different sizes or many different colors. So whether you want like blue, pink, green, or whatever, they actually have a bunch of different colors. The one that we got right here is a clear design or clear color. In terms of the capacity or the size of the bag right here, like I mentioned, this is 1.2 gallons. If you guys want bigger ones, they definitely have bigger ones available. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys first get it. Let me actually open up and show you guys what it actually looks like inside first. Alright, so when you guys first get the product, this is basically what it actually looks like. So it's all nicely rolled up, if you can see. So it looks like there's a total of 4 of these right here. If you can see, it's all nicely rolled up. So since all these are the same thing, I'm just going to take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. So basically I'm peel this part right here to open it up. If you can see, that's how long it is for one of these right here. You basically just peel it off right here. You basically can peel off this part right here to use it for the next one if you guys want to. So if I peel it off, I can stick it back to the next one right here. So that way it's all organized each time. But basically when you guys take it out, this is what it actually looks like. And when you guys open it up, this is how big the bag is. It's definitely big enough if you guys have like a 1.3 gallon trash can or something. But definitely when you guys feel the material of the trash bag right here, it's not like super high quality, but it's high quality enough for you guys to use it for like a 1.3 gallon trash can. But this is basically what the product looks like right here. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys what it actually looks like first. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here in my trash bin, let me show you guys how to put on the bag. So I want to take this part out first. And I want to open up the lid. And I basically want to put the bag inside. Alright, so something like that should be fine. I want to put it back on the lid. And once you guys put the lid back on, you guys actually put it back onto the holder right here. Alright, so once you guys finish that part, you guys can open it up and use like a regular trash can right here. And this is basically what the inside looks like once you guys finish setting it up. So now to get a quick test of the product, definitely see that actually does work and actually works quite well. Super easy to use product. Once you guys open the bag, you can basically just put it onto your trash can and just start using it. Like I mentioned, if you guys have bigger trash can, you probably want to get bigger size. The one that I got right here is a 1.2 gallon and actually fits my trash can perfectly. But basically for this trash bag right here, they mention how it actually fits like 1 to 1.5 gallons of your trash cans. If you guys have smaller ones, it probably will fit as well, but it actually will hang out. But if you guys get anything bigger than the 1.5 gallon limit, they might not fit the bag inside. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this trash bag, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys have like the mini trash cans and not like the bigger ones. Then these work perfectly for those small trash cans. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.